This is a relatively simple experiment. However, there's a couple of things you need to do first. First of all, when you're using your balance, you need to make sure that your balance is on a flat, level surface. Okay, if it's not going to read correctly. Second of all, you want to look very carefully and make sure that that says G. If it says any other thing, it's because you accidentally have pushed this button. So see, we don't want ounces, we don't want OZTs. The fix is just keep pushing this button sort of firmly and hardly until you get it to see G. Now, second of all, when the pan is completely, nothing's on the pan, and the reading is reading zeroed, it's considered to be zeroed, okay? And so we need to make sure before we do every measurement that, in fact, this is the condition of our balance. Otherwise, some material left on the balance or could somehow affect my mass value. A little bit later, I'll show you what the T button is. That's something called tar, but you don't need to worry about that right now. And this PCS button is to calibrate your balance. Again, you don't really need to worry about that. So you need to get three objects, sort of a light, small object, a medium-sized object, and then sort of a heavier object. Now, the limits of this balance, I believe, are 250 grams. So if you find an object that's heavy, like this one, you place it on there, as long as it can read the balance, you're good. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply place one of the objects on the balance, and you're going to read it, write that down in your data table, and then you're going to take it off, and then you're going to place one of the other objects on the balance. Okay, and you're going to again read it. Wait till the numbers stop moving, and then you're going to go ahead and put the third object. All right, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to repeat the sequence, large, small, medium, or whatever you established, until you've recorded your data for 5 times for each of the objects. And then you'll need to follow the directions to calculate the data in the format that you need to have it. Okay, I hope you enjoy using your little balance. And the whole reason why we're doing this experiment is we want to know how much can we trust the balance. And if I weigh this object multiple times, how often am I going to get the exact same value, and to what degree is that value that I'm going to be finding going to vary from data point to data point, or massing to massing. All right, awesome. Hope you enjoy this fun little experiment.